Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Macbook keyboard. So in case you're having problems with your keys or any other problem with your keyboard, this video is really good for you. We're going to go over some simple steps that can fix it. So first, let's open your system settings, and here on the left part, you're going to click on General, then click on Software Update, and here you're going to make sure that all the updates are complete. If they are not, you have to update your software, and when they are ready, you have to go back to System Settings. So now here, we're going to click on Accessibility, and now here, let's click on Keyboard. So now you're going to find the option slow keys, and we're going to put it off. It's going to let you know that the slow keys is off, and you're going to check if your keyboard is working. And if you still have some problems, I'm going to give you another option. On the top part of the home screen of your computer, you're going to find Go. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on Go to Folder. And here you just need to type this, and when you have it ready, you're going to click Enter. So now this new window will appear, and here you just have to find the keyboard settings, and we will have to delete it. So when you have them, you're going to select them, and then you're going to click Command Delete on your keyboard. And now when you have done this, you just have to close this window and reset your computer. With this, your problem have to be fixed. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!